let's start by choosing our frame. So we go for the 100 large screen. Have a 100 large, and you choose. Let's choose background, and now let's draw a circle. So for us to get a rounded circle, so we won't get an oval, you hold your shift key while drawing the circle. Let's keep it 250. Abi 220. Yes, 220. So now this arc, you hold the arc with your left key and just draw it to a path anywhere that you want, and then this your ratio, you take it in to like you take it in very well to the extent that you want. And now let's give it a radius of, let's say, 20. Now join it together, then duplicate it. You can just use Ctrl D. Now that it has been duplicated, you just the second one, draw it back. Now let's change the color. For the down one, let's use this one, this ash that we use here. No, that's not this down one. Let's use the ash. And for the upper one, that will indicate the main percentage, let's use the orange. So you can just adjust it. You can just go here and just like 50 and 90. That's covered 90% of the circle, and you can just use 50% of the circle, and 30% of the circle, anyone you want. Let's use 50 and adjust the starting point. Now for us to get this just like gradient stuff that is here, you can just come here, click it, then go and choose gradient, and the other one, change the opacity back to 100 and create another here, pull it slightly forward, and you can just shift it up small. Same thing to the bigger one, change it to gradients, use linear gradients, always check it, linear gradients, and as you do for the first one, the opacity 100, and another one, make it lighter, and bring down one a little bit down. That's it. And for the text, just your T and input what you want there, 50. Center. Yeah. So you've gotten your desired stuff that you want. Thank you for watching. Please, you can support our channel by subscribing. Thank you.